Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. President of the Business Processing Industry Association of Jamaica, Gloria Henry, says the Special Economic Zone policy is retarding the sector's expansion. She says the application process to establish SEZs needs to be expedited so the industry doesn't lose business. We have more in this report.
Businesses declared a special economic zone through the SEZ policy can benefit from a range of concessions and tax incentives. But President of the Business Processing Industry Association of Jamaica, BPIAJ, Gloria Henry, says the task of applying to become a zone takes too long.
It takes an inordinate long period of time to complete the process, the application process. So the issue is not with the taxes. I think our membership have accepted the fact that they will be paying some taxes. But the whole process is very disproportionate in terms of how it treats with the members of the BPO sector, especially those persons who have been operating in business for a long time and who need to transition. She says it's retarding the expansion of some players in the industry. It is causing jitters, again, for the entities that are here who it's the normal practice for them to expand, and we want them to expand. We want to create more jobs, and we invite them here with the opportunity that they would operate within their normal nuance, where they would start a project perhaps in Montego Bay, expand into Kingston, where the availability of talent exists. But that the process is very discombobulated, and it really takes too long. Ms. Henry adds that some entities may also lose contractors because of the long waiting time. Not only is it frustrating, but it does not align well with best practices within the sector. These entities, when they're here, when they get a project, they need to move very quickly to get that project started. And holding up the process really, it not only costs money, but you could lose. You're on the risk of losing that project as well. For the Business Day, I'm Anthony Lugg.
Sagicor has announced more changes to its boards, with Richard Biles resigning to take up the post of Bank of Jamaica Governor next month. The financial group today announced that its group CEO, Chris Saka, has been appointed to chair its Sagicor Investments subsidiary. That position was previously held by Peter Meledo, who was promoted to oversee the entire Sagicor group as its chairman. Of course, that was after Richard Biles resigned as Sagicor chairman. Mr. Meledo himself has also been appointed to chair Sagicor Life, both in Jamaica and the Cayman Islands, and will continue as a director of Sagicor Bank. The changes will also see Bruce James, a director and current head of the MVP Track Club, taking up the post as Sagicor Bank chairman. The appointments took effect yesterday. And on the currency markets now, currency traded ended today with the US dollar selling for $134.59. The Canadian dollar cost $101.45. Sterling is going for $167.16, while the euro sold for an average of $149.50. The price of oil rose today after reports showed a decline in the amount of the fuel in store. Oil for delivery in August traded up 66 cents to $58.49 a barrel. The JC index touched a new all-time record today as gains in heavyweight stocks on the financial side pushed the index up more than 17,540 points. The junior market index, however, lost 41 points. Among the top performers today was Barita Investments, after its record-breaking profits were reported yesterday. Others performing well included Siboney Group, JMMB Group, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and T-Tech. Among those recording losses were G West Corporation, Jamaica Producers, Knoxford Express, Fost Rich, and Main Event Entertainment Group. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.